Right then guys, onto a completely different style of video. Like I said, if I can do anything and help you guys and show you guys how to do something, then that's what I'm about. So I've been pestering my nan for ages to get a Ring doorbell because they are so convenient. Sometimes people knock on the door and they're just trying to sell stuff, and my nan's, she could probably sign up to like any charity or anything. So I said, look, get this, get on your phone, you can see who's outside there. If not, you can shout, get out, get away from my house, or you can just ignore it and you haven't actually got to go out there and see who it is. So this is today's video, how to fit a Ring doorbell to and the chime. So let's get it. So what we've got here is the Ring doorbell 2. I've got the Ring doorbell 1. This is supposed to be 1080p, so it's a lot better quality. The battery is better, and it comes with like a satin grey, a grey kind of finish as well as that one. And here we've got the door chime. So if your phone's downstairs and this is plugged in upstairs, you're gonna get notified everywhere. So I'll unbox this and I'll show you what's inside. I haven't actually got my tripod with me because most of you know the Astra's not insured, so I've had to ride here on my bike. So camera's in the backpack, and we'll just show you actually like what's inside it. Oh, this is going to be a lot harder than it looks. There we go. So we're inside. Say hello to Ring. There's the doorbell, like so. Cheeky little thing. That's a different colour battery, I believe. There's the wall mount, I guess. Screws. Don't know what this is. The old instruction manual. USB charger to charge it. Install tools. There we go, there we go. So when I said the different colour, there's two different colour plates you can have. The dark one or light one. There's the battery, like so. See what the thing that's good is, with this one, my one, I have to take the whole thing off. Whereas this one, you can just unplug it and charge it. Right then guys, so what originally was going to be the plan, we was going to stick it there. So I'm going to stick it there because obviously there's like a lot of the drive, and if it was over there, it would be like focusing more on that side. It has got a pretty wide angle on it anyway, so it's not too bad. I was tempting to go stick it there just so it's right in the middle of the door, but the screws are pretty thick, so they're not. The ones that they supply you with are not thin at all. So if I screw through that, it's gonna be pretty nasty. So we're not gonna do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this plate which has got like an angle on it, and we're gonna put it there, and then because it's on an angle, it's gonna show more of the drive. I know it's gonna be quite far over this way, but it's exactly where the other doorbell is anyway. So we're just gonna line it up, and I'm gonna drill some pilot holes. You get 3 wall plugs, so I'm gonna put like 2, 1 at the bottom, 2 at the top maybe, and then screw it up. So what we're gonna do, make sure it's eye level, which I think it probably is, and go for it. Right then, so we're going to take the screw out and put the drill bit in. It's like a size 5, and then we're going to make some pilot holes. So literally going to line this up and then just put 2 drill holes in there. It's hard to do, just one of me and no stand. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to drill 2 there, 1 in there, just get it so it's on the angle, and then put the wall plugs in. Right then, happy days, holes are drilled. These theoretically should line up like so. Right, let's put the screws in and hold this bracket into place. There you go, lovely. Some mounting brackets are on. Got 2 wall plugs in there, 1 down there. That is in place. So obviously it's going to show more of the drive this side. So let's work out how to mount this onto the wall. Right then, so basically what we've got to do is line these 4 holes up like so on out here. So let's go ahead and show you. Right then, so we've pretty much on, all on. Battery's charging. I plug the battery in to let it charge. Probably lasts every couple of months, and then you just need to recharge it. What we're going to do now is set it up on the phone, so let's do it. So what you're going to want to do is go onto your mobile phone. It's called Ring Always Home. Just install that. And that is what the home screen should look like. Focus baby, send notifications. Obviously you're going to have to create a login because you're not going to have one. So put all your details in, so probably your first name, your email address, where you're from, that kind of stuff. And we'll go from there. Right then, so create an email address, just your name, address, where you live, email address and a password. So you're going to have to go back to your email address and just click the link to verify that it's you. And then I'm guessing click back on the app and it'll log you straight in. So there we go. Thank you for verifying your email. Now go back to the app. So right then, let's plug her in. So hopefully there's only one way you can go in. Like so. Hopefully that's in. Yep. Obviously you've still got to screw the cover on, which is underneath there. But it says press the setup button. So what we're going to do, get the phone, and then we're going to set this thing up. Right then guys, so got the phone, got the app on, it says press button to set up, so we're going to go for that. Then we're going to add devices. We're going to go through the motion, set up doorbell. Would you like doorbell to access camera? There's a scan, there's a code on the back guys, so what I'm going to have to do is scan it from behind. So it says on the app that I can do it without scanning, so let's give it a go. Right then, so set it up as a front door. It's telling me to obviously put the battery in, continue. So now it's saying press and release the button on the doorbell. So let's go. Right then, so now guys, it says go to the settings on your phone, go to Wi-Fi, and it should bring up the Ring doorbell, so click on that. So now guys, it's just, I think it has literally connected to it. So which doorbell should you connect to? It's going to be the Virgin Media, so what you need to do is put the password in for your Wi-Fi. So, Nan, where's your Wi-Fi? Where's your Wi-Fi?
Seldom in Oxford.
It's hidden somewhere. Oh, down there. So now the doorbell is connecting to the Wi-Fi, so it'll like link to the doorbell to the phone over to the Wi-Fi. So as you can see guys, it is doing something. It says it's connecting, so yeah, like I say, just go to your Wi-Fi, put your password in, and hopefully it connects up. Come on! Right then guys, so it says now how to add the chime, so let's get it and add the chime. So we're going to go on here, add device, look for the chimes, and it says, if you can see, what's it got so dark? Bloody hell, scan during setup. So we're going to scan this now, and hopefully it links up to that. So it says plug your chime in to get started. So we are going to now plug that into there. Then hopefully it does some bits. So plug it in to get started. Let's go upstairs. Please wait for the ring light to pulse slowly. Yes, it is pulsing slowly. Press continue. Do you want to let it join the network? Yep, we do. Unable to.
Welcome to Ring. Woo. Chime Pro is in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Is it pulsing slowly? Yeah. So we've literally just had to do the same thing as before, where we went onto the Wi-Fi.
Chime Pro is connecting to your Wi-Fi network.
There you go, she said it for us. So yeah, hopefully we can get connected. Right then guys, that is pretty much connected, so the doorbell's connected and the chime's connected upstairs. So now that if my nan's downstairs, if she doesn't hear the one upstairs, her phone will go off, but if she's upstairs and her phone's downstairs, she'll hear the chime. What I'm going to do now is just press the button, just check, see if it's ringing the phone and her. Sometimes it can be a bit tedious where it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Make sure you use uppercase and lowercase letters on the password for the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it can be a bit fiddly, maybe give it 2 or 3 tries. That wasn't straightforward, it was just literally I had to try it a couple of times for it to connect properly. So if it doesn't connect first time, please have faith because it will do it. So have a little bit of patience with it, but the app's pretty much easy to use anyway. You click on the device, set your motion settings, and you can choose how often it goes off if you want it when a car comes past or something like that, which is pretty good. I actually had someone come on the drive with a hood up that literally the head was covered, and the doorbell went off and you could see the face, and as soon as they saw the doorbell light up they ran off. So definitely worth having one, guys. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is just press it and see if it works. So let's give it a go. So chimes upstairs, phone's there. Let's go, let's press it. Whoop, don't fall over. There you go, it's recognised me straight away. So I'm going to ring it. So that's going off. Phone's going off. Is the chime going off? I didn't hear that then. Let's try it again. Come on. So there you go. Obviously the car's in the way, but that is what the camera looks like. It looks absolutely bob on. There you go. Just to like recap, it does come with a little box of like a little bubble measure, so you can actually see if it's level. I just did it by eye and just mashed it, and you get a drill bit as well, just in case you didn't worry. So all you really need is a screwdriver, your phone and a drill, and you're good to go, to be fair. So if I've missed anything out, I do apologise. If you like the video, like it, comment down below if I can help, I will, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because I'm going to, anything I get involved in that I can video and stuff like that, I'm going to do it. It's been mainly cars, but if we get little technology bits and bobs, we're going to do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Peace.